RMS Vocal Institute.
Hello everyone, this is Rocky from RMS Vocal Institute, and today I'm going to talk about the fry, step 3 and 4. If you haven't seen step 1 and 2, please go back and watch the video about sound and consistency. So today I'm going to talk about the volume and the power of the fry. So what you need to know, even if you don't do anything else, just working on the sound of the fry, it will be louder over time. If you do this, I haven't used anything else. That was just simply a fry on my true vocal cords, and it's gonna be louder and louder and louder. That's why we always recommend to practice the fry literally 24/7. Yeah, if you don't want to lose the sound of the fry, you need to use it always, always, always. So the fry grows over time. Obviously, you can add to the fourth chord as well to create even a more aggressive sound. Again, it's just the sound. It's no push, no forcing, no straining, nothing. The fry, I always tell in every video, the fry is the most effortless scream ever. So even if you actually add the fourth chord to it, it's not gonna feel so crazily straining feeling. It's also quite a nice and comfortable scream. But the most important thing, what you need to know, that even if you just work on the sound itself on the fry, it will grow, and the volume will grow. It's going to be louder, but you need to use it and practice it. The other big secret, the volume of the fry, is literally creating more space in the mouth. Because if you think about, if you go to a very small room, like let's say in a very small toilet, I don't know why I said that, but in the toilet, it's gonna be, the volume, it's going to be very, very quiet. It's gonna be very blunt, very, like basically no echo, nothing. But if you go into a big room where there's no furniture, it's gonna be much louder already. It's the same thing with the fry. If you try to make the fry like this, that's squeaky. It's gonna be squeaky and it's gonna be quiet. But if you do like this, much louder, and I haven't done anything else. I just created more space in my mouth. That's all. So work on the sound, work on the consistency, then literally make sure you have enough space in the mouth. Don't squeak, don't force it, don't push it, don't raise your larynx to creating this squeaky sound, because it's going to be only just squeakier and squeakier, but it's not going to be louder and it's not going to be kick-ass. So I hope it helped you to understand more about the volume and the power. So please stay with us for the next videos. Lots of good stuff's coming. If you have any question, post below the video or go to rmsvocalinstitute.com and see what we can do for you on a lesson. Yes. All right. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.